Congratulations, Sea Gulls. You've once again shown the strength of the Salisbury University community with your generosity on Giving Day. To alumni, students, family members, faculty and staff, and friends, thank you. Your passion and investment will fuel opportunities for years to come, and we're excited to share the difference that your gifts will make for SU students. Truly and sincerely, thank you for your unwavering support and for making Giving Day 2025 unforgettable. Go Gulls!